My name is Andrew Wells, and I am a technical specialist here at Pointerra. In this video, I will demonstrate how you can make use of Pointerra's Point Cloud Reprocess feature. There are several reasons why you would want or need to reprocess a point cloud. These include adding or removing point cloud files, as well as changing the coordinate system. It's important to note we recommend not reprocessing the point cloud if you only want to update the metadata or add and remove new datasets, as these can be performed from within the project. The biggest benefit is it will save you time from re-uploading the point cloud files. So let's go through an example. Navigate to the Jobs page and select the point cloud you wish to reprocess. Navigate to the top of the page and click Edit and Reprocess. The view is similar to the normal upload window, but now contains all the existing files. So, first, you can add or remove files. You can update your coordinate system, make any changes to the metadata. If there are any existing data sets, these will be added to the reprocessed project. Choose your destination collection and click Submit. Once completed, a new project will be created. If you still have any questions, reach out to our support team through the portal. Thank you.